ngiyabona negazi liyaphuma nginesikala
Yeah, I can see it.
bona negazi liyaphuma sengihlangahlangene ngapha ngithi ngiyanyathela ngapha ngiyashipilika
Mabhodlela, kumanzi.
adobhe le bottle kop ene bekaze ebusweni lamasikazi wabona la ngabagcwele la ebusweni bekaze ebusweni ngabe mhlawumbe ungikhiphe nelihlo
So his aim was to kill you.
kahle
Because remember, uthethe usisi wakho cherry yakhe wanibona etshwaleni as though umfakela amadoda.
kushuthi ngimfakela amadoda kushuthi mina usisi wami amdala ngaka phela lo muntu she's over 18 angaze afakelwe yena wafakelwa ubani wafakelwa yimi usisi wami ngoba naye azange imfakele
Yeah, ubone ngaye.
wasifakela
Yeah,
so mina ngingena lapha
Sure.
so kwaba yileyo nto leyo ke kwaba kuningi ngagwazwa and ngafika I fought but there was a time la sengiwile phansi you know what ngiyahleka because sengiyakhona ukusixoxa le story I'm not even shedding a tear